What's going on? Welcome to Shoot and Shave. I was recently tagged to do a video using a bowl lathering up 3 different soaps. The choices are going to be the Artisan soap shop Humidor. This one is a Spanish cedar and tobacco scent. Next soap is going to be Chiseled Civet. This is a sweet musky scent. And last but not least, I'm going to go with TOBS Peppermint. And the scent that I'm trying to go for is kind of like a pipe tobacco type scent. We'll see how that works out. Brush today is going to be my Yaqi mixed right handle brush here. This is a 26mm knot tuxedo style. Bowl I'm going to be using today is my Captain's Choice bowl. Here's the soaps pressed in. Let's go ahead and get this shave started. Sorry if I clanked the bowl a little bit here. Let's see what I'm getting out of this now. So the domineering scent is definitely the peppermint. I try to use the least amount of it. I'm starting to get a little bit of the Civet soap in there, that sweet musky scent. So far I'm not really getting much of the tobacco, but maybe it'll open up a little more as I lather it up. And I'm definitely going to need some water in this. Scent strength on a 1 to 10 scale, I'd have to put it a 5. Okay, so it's opening up a little bit more. I'm starting to get little hints of the tobacco in there, but so far, still the peppermint and the musky scent of the Civet soap are standing out in this. Look at that, there's a ton of suds in there. I'm gonna go with that. Splash some water on my face real quick. Hope everyone's doing well. Hope you all are having a nice weekend. Oh yeah, man, look at that. That's awesome. So these 3 scents are some of my favorites. I wanted to combine them together to see what they smelled like. And I'm not disappointed. Don't know if it quite smells like pipe tobacco, but it's a nice scent. I think 2 of the soaps I used are vegan, and the one is a tallow base. I can't remember which ones they are. Which bases are what right now, so sorry. All right, that looks good. And go with that. Get the straight razor. Dry up my hands here real quick. I'm gonna go first pass here. So we just got back in from Nashville Friday night. We had a very, very nice trip. We didn't get to see and do everything there. There was so much to do in that city. We stopped at a couple of the more popular bars. We stopped at Nudies. That was a really good time. We stopped and had lunch at a pizza place down there. I can't remember the name of it right now. But it was some of the best pizza I had. If I can find the name of the pizza place, I'm going to post it, or I'm going to put it right up here on the screen here. Can't remember what it was called. But yeah, we had a really, really nice time. We stayed at a few places down there. Stayed downtown at, I think it was called the Grand Station Hotel, right downtown. Very nice hotel that was given to us as a gift. I think I said this in my last video. But my wife's cousin got that, or got us a room for 3 nights there as a gift to my wife for her birthday, which was very, very generous of her. Looks good. Soap is very well hydrated. Doesn't need a whole lot of water. All right, we're gonna go second pass here. Other things we did down there is we went down to see the Dukes of Hazzard Museum. There's like a little museum there. That was a show I really loved as a kid. That was a pretty cool place to stop to see that if you like that show. Rinse up real quick. See all the stuff that they had in the show there. I'm not sure if it's all the original stuff or just replicas of the original stuff, but apparently one of the guys who was in the show owns a store. I don't know which one it was or who it was that owns the store down there, but got a lot of really neat stuff, autographed pictures, you know, memorabilia, some of the stuff from the set. Pretty neat. We didn't get the chance to go to the Grand Ole Opry. We didn't see that. I wanted to see a Nashville Predators game, but they were out of town while we were there. We got to go to Hattie's Chicken, which is a place that I would recommend to anybody going down there. It's an excellent place if you like fried chicken sandwiches. And it is pretty darn hot when you eat it. So if you like real hot, spicy chicken, that's the place to go. And I believe that there's a couple different locations down there, so you know, we had a really nice time there. Looks good. Touch up real quick. Alright, let's see what I can do here. Still trying to find the best way to get the cheek here. That worked. I felt more comfortable than some of the other ways I used to do it. Rinse up and we'll do a feel about. Oh yeah, man. Very nice shave. Alright, I'm going to clean up the sink, clean up my gear, and I'll see you guys for post-shave. Okay, so for post-shave today, I'm going to go with the Artisan Sub Shop's Humidor here. This is a non-alcohol based aftershave splash. Oh man, awesome scent. Out of all the aftershave splashes out there, this is my most favorite. It has a great scent and just love that it's got no alcohol in it. So great aftershave splash. I'm gonna go with the Duke Cannon Post Shave Balm here since I used a peppermint type soap. Good healthy dose. Oh man, very nice post-shave balm to use too. Very cooling, not overly mentholated, but just enough. If you haven't tried this out yet, definitely pick this up if you see it's a great aftershave balm. Okay, we'll do a recap of what I used here tonight. Here's my Captain's Choice bowl here. Still got a ton of suds in there for at least 2 to 3 shaves. The brush is still loaded. I could probably do another 3 to 4 passes. So this mixing these 3 soaps together made a really nice and dense lather. This is one of the soaps. This is the Taylor of Old Bond Street Peppermint Shave Soap. Other soap I used was Chiseled Face Civet. And last but not least, went with the Artisan Soap Shop's Humidor. Razor today was my Gold Dollar 208. And I didn't tell you what brush I use. This is the Yaqi mixed red handle brush here. Very nice brush. Sorry for this really weird interruption. I did forget to tag some people in this video, so I want to go ahead and do that right now. I want to tag Trevi B, Kevy Shaves, Jimco Shaving. I would also like to tag Brian the Floridian and Marcos Jesus Mendez. These are the guys I'm going to be tagging for this video. You have to use 3 shaving soaps in 1 bowl. If you've already been tagged and done this video, then don't worry about it. If you don't want to do it, you don't have to do it either. But back to the shave. Those are the guys I'm tagging. Okay, that's going to conclude the shave. Thank you, Johnny and JB, for tagging me to do this video. It was a lot of fun. You guys all have a great week, and I'll see you again soon for another shave. Take care.